Jai Hind everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing your SSB preparation with full hard work and dedication. So today's video will be going to one of the interesting video on our platform because here we not only discussing about the written or SSB related stuff, but I will tell you that how you can become an officer from the below level. Guys, the first thing which you have to make it clear, like for becoming an officer, three words are being required that should be have it in you. The first is integrity. Second is decisive leadership. थर्ड इज मेंटल फिजिकल एंड्योरेंस. गाइस अगर आप इन थ्री वर्ड्स को अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं देन एसएसबी रिटन एग्जामिनेशन मेडिकल मेरिट it is not a big deal. I have even this team of study APR have guided a lot of candidates like we are being with you since last 1 year and we guided around hundreds of candidates and many of them got recommended for various entries such as NDA, OTA, IMA entries, Coast Guard entries. Not only this, many of those candidates are right now commissioned in the Indian Armed Forces. So guys, what are the things which being separated from those candidates to us? So here we are going to analyze all those aspects. Like we will also talk about the whole journey from written examination to the stars, on the shoulders of the soldiers. Okay. So guys, without wasting any time, let us start. So guys, wanted to clear one thing. This video is not only for one specific examination. Like it is for all the examination such as NDA, CDS, AFCAT, Coast Guard, ACC entries or many other entries which you know. So guys, the first aspect which comes is written examination. So right now what has happened, the Indian Defense Forces has, like I guess 90% of the 90 to 95% of the examination are being now conducted through the written examinations. Earlier what happens कि जो technical entries थी, especially for TGC, SSC Tech, in those entries there were a lot of candidates used to come. So for reducing those burdens, the UPSC will start an examination by the end of this year. So it is being clear that now the SSB will be a tough game for you because there will be a first refinement process, which will be through the written examination. Around 7 to 8 lakhs candidates appear for NDA, same as for CDS, and 4 to 5 lakhs for Coast Guard entries, and 6 to 7 lakhs around of AFCAT entries. And I know personally that there are many soldiers who are in the Indian forces. They themselves are giving the ACC entries a lot of time. Still, this part remains a bottleneck every time. Why only candidates fail in the early stage? The first thing is lack of consistency. Guys, remember one thing: motivation may ignite you, but discipline will carry you to the destination. So this is the thing which you have to like inculcate in your mind. So क्या होता है रिटर्न एग्जामिनेशन में कैंडिडेट्स क्या करते हैं, स्टार्टिंग से तो मन बनाते हैं कि लाइक दे विल प्रिपेयर लाइक बाय हार्ट, बट वो जो कंसिस्टेंसी है रेगुलर बेसिस पे मेंटेन नहीं रह पाती है. दैट इज व्हाई दे लैक्स. द सेकंड इज पीआरटी टेक्निक. It is one of the key important areas in which around 90 to 95% candidate lacks because it stands for practice revision test. Suppose if I studied a chapter of mathematics, now it should be my target that within the 1 week or within a 1 month I have to complete the practice questions, plus I again have to revise the formulas of the specific subjects, and last but not the least I again have to appear a simple sort of test so that I can analyze my pros and cons. So this is the point where many candidates lacks. Right? If you could be able to maintain these two aspects, SSB is very close to them. The third part is time. Like again, this time is also a part of this PRT technique because like whenever you solve a sort of test, you have to make a sort of time bomb. अगर आप अच्छे से time bound बनाएंगे regarding solving the questions, then it will be easy for you to crack the written examination parts with more like with more assurity. Fine. So this was all about the written part. Now the common subjects, like these are the common subjects which are being included in many examinations. Like the syllabus which I'm going to tell you is being overlapped with several examinations. Like first is GS part. So almost in every defense examination, this GS part comes. So GS includes, it simply means general studies. So general studies includes English, your history, your polity, geography, economics somewhere, current affair, and general science. In general science, it have three parameters again, which is physics, chemistry, and bio. ये जो तीन सब्जेक्ट्स हैं फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो यूजुअली 9th और 10th NCERTs पे बेस्ड होते हैं। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स का ये जो सेगमेंट है स्कोरिंग सेगमेंट होता है इन दीज एग्जामिनेशंस टेस्ट लाइक एफकेट, सीडीएस एंड एनडीए। सो दिस इज द कॉमन सब्जेक्ट विच यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फर्स्ट, क्योंकि ये सभी एग्जामिनेशन में आता है। द नेक्स्ट इज योर मैथमेटिक्स, मैथ्स। लाइक इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर एनडीए एंट्रीज, तो एनडीए एंट्रीज में क्या होता है कि लाइक 11th एंड 12th से रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं। सिलेबस वाला पार्ट आपका 12th है, 11th एंड 12th से लिंक्ड होता है। एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर लाइक अदर एंट्रीज सच एज सीडीएस एंट्रीज, like especially for the IMA, then your elementary mathematics comes. In elementary mathematics, it simply includes profit and loss, or like compound interest. You might have been knowing about these things. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss this again. It is some sort of elementary maths. The approach is same of targeting both maths as well as GS, which is these three parameters. Like candidates lack in these three segments. So guys, अगर आपने ये 3 segments अच्छे कर लिए अपने, written examination is not a big deal. So this was all about how you can ace the written examination. Now we will move forward to the other aspect. The most interesting plus the most hard-working segment of this journey, which is Service Selection Board, SSB. Right? Suppose if I'm taking the example of entry entries, like around 4 to 5 lakhs candidates appear in every like tenure of the ND examination, and out of those 4 to 5 lakhs, only 8,000, somewhere around 8,000 clears the written examination, and these 8,000 candidates report for the SSB, and out of these 8,000 there are only 400 seats. Now you can compare the selections plus rejection ratio, that there is a very huge gap. So guys, अब आपके दिमाग में सवाल आएगा कि लाइक SSB में ऐसा क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं जो कि इतने सारे कैंडिडेट्स रिजेक्ट कर दे रहे हैं वो लोग। सो गाइस, SSB वाला पार्ट, ये आर सेल्फ स्टडी APR, फोकस ऑन इट वेरी एक्सक्लूसिवली। हम SSB वाले पर्सपेक्टिव पे काफी अच्छे से वर्क करते हैं। सो फॉर गाइडेंस रिलेटेड टू SSB, यू कैन कॉल ऑन 84356 83261, plus I will also allot you the community page of R, like, from which you can directly link us to the WhatsApp channel. On there we post the data of the SSBs plus strategies on regular basis. Plus we have launched several batches for the SSBs as well. Like we exclusively work over the communication enhancement of the candidates, because SSB में क्या aspects आते हैं। The first thing is your communication skills. Communication skills. Like suppose if a candidate is being interviewed by the officer, if the officer being reflected in the candidates, it will be only be reflected by his communications or by his articulation. So guys, that is why this communication aspect is being prioritized at the first. Second is leadership skills, that how you lead your team, that how you manage your members, that how you manage your group members. Fine. The third part is your effective intelligence, the ability to think within time, in time. It means अगर आपको कोई भी सिचुएशन प्रोवाइड की जाती है, then how you are able to handle it. So it is being considered in the part of effective intelligence. So guys, in SSB it is a day of 5 day का SSB होता है. In 5 days you are being judged over 3 parameters, which is the interview, psychology test and the GTU. So we will be focusing over these 3 parts again in more detail. So candidates, as I said, that SSB is a process of 5 days. 5 days का ये process होता है SSB का, ठीक है। So it is being categorized as stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 में क्या होता है, stage 2 में क्या होता है, we are going to discuss about that thing also. In stage 1 there are 2 tests. The first is OIR. OIR में simply reasoning type of question ज़्यादा आते हैं, so ये manageable है. Second thing is PPDT. PPDT stands for Picture Perception Discussion Test. In this you will be going to show a picture, like you will having a picture, like it could be a hazy picture in which you have to write a story, like in accordance with the picture you have to frame a stories. On the basis of your story you have to deliver the narration individually, and after this a group discussion happens. In group discussion you have to arrive at the common consensus. So जो भी candidates ये वाले part को अच्छे से clear कर पाएंगे, then only you will move forward to the next stage, which is stage 2. And rest of the candidates who are not able to make it will be termed as screen outs, और उनका जो जर्नी होता है SSB का वो फर्स्ट डे ही एंड हो जाएगा. Now we will focusing about the stage 2 arena. Stage 2 में जो सेकेंड डे टेस्ट होता है, इट इज ऑफ योर साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट। साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट में 4 पैरामीटर्स आते हैं: TAT थीमेटिक अप्रिसिएशन टेस्ट, WAT वर्ड एसोसिएशन टेस्ट, SRT situation reaction test, and SDT. TAT is somewhere similar to PPDT, in which you have to write the 12 stories. The WAT stands for word association test. Like here will be like 60 words will be there. Like you have to sentence a positive, like you have to frame a positive sentence over each word. Next is SRT, in which multiple situations will be provided to you, and you have to write it like in accordance with your own idea, like what you feel about the situation. That if you would be at the place of the other person, then what will be your response? It is some sort of like this. SDT in this, like you have to tell the opinions of your parents, your friends, manager, your colleagues. Plus you also have to tell about yourself. So guys, ये जो हमने बात की है बहुत मोटे मोटे तौर पे बात की है. Like in the upcoming videos, we will be giving you the detailed analysis of these aspects. The next is, after this test, psych test, you will be interviewed. And interview जो होता है usually day 2 और day 3 में होता है candidates का. Interview का जो average time है around 45 to 50 minutes. Where will be the officer, like the officer obviously, executive officer will be taken interview of you, and the question might be related to your personal life, your general awareness, your overall experience to the SSB journeys, and some sort of related to the hobbies, interests as well, plus about your education. Okay, so this is your interview part. The next is your GTO. GTO stands for Group Tasking Officer. So in this test, like there are total 9 tasks. कि 9 टास्क होते हैं in which you are being like, जो मोस्ट प्रायर चीज़ है जिसपे जीटीओ टास्क में चीज़ें मैनेज होती हैं, चेक की जाती हैं स्पेशली, विच इज़ योर सोशलाइजिंग स्किल्स प्लस योर लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज. सो ये 3 एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, जो 2 एस्पेक्ट हैं, लीडरशिप और सोशलाइजिंग, आर बीइंग चेक्ड एक्सक्लूसिवली इन द स्टेज 2, लाइक इन द जीटीओ पार्ट. फाइन, दिस इज अबाउट द जीटीओ. जो जीटीओ टास्क होता है वो भी 2 दिन चलता है, विच इज ऑन डे 3 और इन डे 4. आफ्टर डे 4, like on the day 5, conference happens. In conference, it is a type of formal discussion between the multiple officers. Like it happens ki you will be getting to, you will have a short sort of interview around 2 to 3 minutes or max to 5 minutes, in which there will be officer will face you, and you have to give some sort of questions, like answers to the questions which they ask you. This includes your experience to the SSBs, some sort of SRTs if you are doubtful candidates, and things might be related to your personal life as well. And after this, results are being announced, and those candidates make it, they will be going for the interview process, like for the medical process, sorry. And those who are not able to make it, they are being termed as conference out. तो उनका भी ये जो जर्नी है डे 5 पे एंड हो जाता है. प्लस जो सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, दे आर बीइंग टर्म्ड एज रिकमेंडेड कैंडिडेट्स. इट मीन्स they are meeting the demands of the army. That is why they are being recommended candidates. And now they will be going through the medical process. Now we will move forward to this process as well. So guys, this is the most underrated part of your defense journey. Because why I'm saying this? Because क्या होता है कि candidates after clearing written SSBs, many candidates fail here. Why so? Like ऐसा होता है कि भाई किसी कैंडिडेट्स को लाइक किसी की स्पाइन में प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक किसी को ब्लड से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है, और किसी को लाइक अपने हार्ट से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है. सो क्या होता है, ये सारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, इट इज रिलेटेड टू परमानेंट रिजेक्शन. इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट समवेयर fit for the defense forces. And this is a personal guidance to you that whenever you appear for your written examination or SSB, like prior to start with your preparation for defense examination, get yourself medically assessed. क्योंकि ये बहुत बुरा लगता है कैंडिडेट्स को, like if they get medically unfit, like medical assist yourself. Like in our upcoming videos, we are going to tell about the medical procedure in very descriptive way, because I myself, many a times gone through this procedure. I know the aspects in which the candidates have been getting failed. So I will tell you that how you can, resolve the problem, some temporary problems like knock knees, like flat foot, sweaty palm, है ना. So I'm going to tell you about those things also. like, अगर आपको अभी भी इन सब चीज़ से फिलहाल कुछ डाउट्स है तो you can comment us. Fine. This is about the medical part. Like those candidates who are being medically fit, they are being weighted for the merit list. और merit list में भाई क्या होता है कि usually merit is not in our hand. Why I'm saying so? Because merit is all about numbers. जिसके numbers अच्छे होंगे, he will make it. Suppose I'm just taking an example. Suppose if talking about IMA, like there are 100 seats for CDS, or sometimes it happens that more than 100 candidates being recommended, around 180 candidates got recommended. So top 100s or top 100 fit candidates will get the joining letter. Candidates will get जेल। तो भाई जो बाकी के 40-50 कैंडिडेट्स हैं वो तो हमेशा रह जाएंगे, है ना। सो द थिंग इज दिस कि अगर आपको मेरिट लिस्ट में आना है देन यू हैव टू परफॉर्म इन रिटन एग्जामिनेशन। आपको रिटन एग्जामिनेशन में काफी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करना होगा सो दैट मेरिट वाला चांस ना बने यहाँ पर। फाइन। So this is about the merit part. Now there's one more small segment of this video about the academy journey. So guys, if you are being here, it means you have successfully cleared the each and every aspect of the defense examination. Now your journey will be start from here, from academies. Like candidates, what happens? Like from the journey of written examinations to the SSB, you are being termed as the candidates, and after getting recommended, you are being termed as cadets. And as soon as you enter these dream academies like the NDA, OTA, IMA, AFA, or INA, you are being termed as GC, which stands for Gentlemen Cadets. And guys, trust me, अगर आपने successfully training complete की, like for IMA it is around 1.5, for serious IMA entries, and for NDA it is around 4 years. For other entries like AFA, OTA, and INA it is around 1 year as well. After this, you are being commissioned as the 2-star officer, like for army. और यहाँ से आपका जो एक बच्चे ने जो ड्रीम सोचा था of becoming an officer someday has been achieved successfully. So guys, this was all about today's video. If you really have liked us, please like our video. Plus also subscribe us. Plus if you are having any sort of doubt related to any sort of thing, comment us. Or for more personal guidance, I'm also providing you the numbers of ourselves. From there, you can approach us directly. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.